Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best rear view car DVR in this video? I will show you the top 5 best rear view car DVR to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Redetiger F7NP. Specifications: aperture f1.55, maximum video frame rate 30, view angle 130 to 170, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, video format MP4, number of lenses 1, imaging sensor Sony IMX335, pixels 1800 mega, display size 3-5, chipset manufacturer Silicon, weight 0.7 kilograms. Number 4 is 12 inches 4K DashCam. Specifications: brand name is Friday, chipset manufacturer Rackchip, frames per second 25, view angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, video code H.265, number of lenses 2, pixels 800 mega, interface AV-in, micro SD/TF. As the item number 3, we've selected Togard 12 inches car DVR mirror. Specifications: brand name Togard, aperture f1.8, maximum video frame rate 30, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, number of lenses 2, imaging sensor Sony IMX335, display size 11.88 inches, chipset manufacturer Silicon. Number 2 is Bluevito 12 inches car rear view mirror. Specifications: brand name Bluevito, maximum video frame rate 25 fps, rear camera yes, screen ratio 16:9, view angle 170 degrees, camera resolution 1920 by 1080, number of lenses 2, imaging sensor Sony IMX323, pixels 1200 mega, display size 12 inch, chipset manufacturer Spreadtrum SL8541E, system Android 8.1, front camera resolution 1280 by 720. On the top of our list at number 1 we have TS-Fong 360 DashCam. Specifications: brand name TS-Fong, display IPS, screen ratio 16:9, view angle 140 degrees minus 170 degrees, camera resolution 1920 by 1080, number of lenses 4, imaging sensor GC4653, pixels 500 mega, chipset manufacturer M-Star, dashcam model TS-Fong M8S, image sensor GC4653 plus G.C 2053.